Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can stream on Twitch. So firstly, you have to create a Twitch account and have a channel. After that, you want to connect your Twitch account to whichever streaming application you want to use. Since I'm using OBS for recording this, I won't be able to use OBS, but you can use both OBS and Streamlabs. So once you open your Streamlabs, you just want to head over to settings and fix up everything, such as your audio, your video output, all of that. Your output over here, it's going to be your voice, settings, everything. And then from Stream, you just want to connect your Twitch account, and that's about it. Once you connect your Twitch account, after that you just want to press on go live and then just select Twitch, and you should be able to stream on Twitch without any issue. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.